Hey DIYers, Dylan here with Alarm Grid. Today we're going to review if 5800 Honeywell sensors can work with a 2 gig edge panel. Short answer is yes, they are compatible. I'm going to show you how to program a door sensor, the 5816, to the 2 gig edge panel. We'll test it, make sure it works, and review some of the different features it offers. Okay, so we have our 2 gig edge panel, and we're going to program a 5816 door contact sensor. So just real quick before I do that, the 5816 is referred to as a uni-directional or one-way sensor. Majority of all the Honeywell 5800 sensors are going to be that, but some do require a house ID. Any sensor, siren, or keypad that requires a house ID cannot be used. So some examples is the 5800 wave siren and the 5828 keypad. And the 5816 and other sensors that do require multiple loops or have the option for multiple loops will take up multiple zone spots on the panel as well. So let's go ahead and start programming. So we're going to press the gear icon on the bottom right. We're going to use our installer code. Ours is still the default 1561. We're going to scroll down to Installer Toolbox, Panel Programming, Wireless Zones, and right here is your list of zones. There are 100 available wireless zones, so we'll just start with number 1. Now, equipment code, we're going to press this little list icon here. That's going to show us all the available options. So this is going to show for options that are 2 gig, the E series, which is their encrypted ones. If we scroll down past the 2 gig options, we'll see these non-branded ones, so existing door window contact. So you'll use these if the sensor you're using does not have a equipment code already set. So here are some of the 5800 sensors that do have an equipment code. We're going to use the 5816. We'll press sensor type. Back to the list here. This is how the sensor is going to react when it's triggered. So you can do entry, exit, or perimeter. Those are mainly used for door contacts. We will do just entry, exit. TXID is essentially the serial number. Now you can manually type it in, or you can press the learn option here. And then while that's listening, we're going to fault the sensor. Perfect, it pulled in right away. Accept. It learned in as loop 2 automatically because it's using the read switch. I don't have an auxiliary contact wired to this. That would be loop 1. Voice. So this is going to be what the sensor is called. I will put front and then door. Okay. Sensor chime. This is going to be if you want an audible chime along with it. So this will be a noise along with the voice. Or you can just do voice only. For this, I'm just going to do voice only. And then we have other options here. So transmission delay, sensor reports, and sensor supervised. So just real quick over these last 2, sensor reports will send an alarm signal to the monitoring station if you're connected with one. Sensor supervised means that the sensor will check in with the panel, and if there's any issue with the sensor checking in with the panel, you'll get an error showing up here. All right, so that is, everything's looking good there. We're going to press next zone. And we're just going to program that one for now for testing. So I'm going to press back, or just press home. Okay, so we're ready to arm. Let's see if the system recognizes that we programmed the sensor. I'm going to fault it. Okay, front door is showing open, and let's make sure it closes. Perfect. All right, so we have that set there. The sensor did program. So 5800 sensors have no issue working with 2 gig panels. Like I mentioned, if you don't see the specific equipment code for your sensor, just use one of those existing door window, smoke detector, motion, anything like that, and it's going to work just as the same. Okay, so that is how you program a 5800 sensor to the 2 gig edge panel. Again, we programmed the 5816 sensor. We tested it with the system, made sure it was reporting properly. If you did like the video, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified about any future videos we release. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Our phone number is 888-818-7728. Our email address is support@alarmgrid.com. And if you go to our website, www.alarmgrid.com, we have a live chat option there as well. Again, my name is Dylan, and thank you for watching.